Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the slip stitch join. This technique is used to join crochet motifs together. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make the slip knot and how to make the slip stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. I have made two granny squares that I'm going to join together. I have a video on how to make the granny square and I will also have that listed down below. So to begin, you're going to make a slip knot on your hook. You're then going to insert your hook into a corner of one of the squares, then underneath a corner of the next square that you want to join. So this is what that will look like. Add your slip knot to your hook and bring it through both of those squares. Make one chain. This is where you will begin making slip stitches. So now you can see you have the edges together of your squares or your motifs. Insert your hook into the first stitch, then into the stitch of the square or the motif right behind. Into that same one, they're going to line up together. Grab that yarn, pull it through both of those, then pull it through that loop on your hook, making a regular slip stitch. Same thing into the next stitch. Insert your hook into the next one and into the corresponding one right behind it. Grab that yarn, pull it through both, pull it through that loop on your hook. Insert your hook into the next one and through the one right behind it. Grab that yarn, pull it through both, pull it through that loop. Now this is the reason I made a granny square, because I wanted to show you how you would go along an opening. It's going to be the same thing. Insert your hook through that opening, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through that loop. Then you would continue, insert your hook into the next stitch, into the one right behind it. You're going to make sure you're going to line these up. Grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through that loop. You can see how that's looking, how it looks like a regular slip stitch. You would continue this until you get to the ends of your motifs. You can see now that I have made it to the ends of my motifs. I'm going to insert my hook into the corner spaces of both. Grab that yarn I'm working with, pull it through that loop on my hook. Then I'm going to make one chain to secure it. This is what the backs of those squares are going to look like. You can see that you've done the slip stitch across those stitches and those openings. This is what the front of your motifs are going to look like. And that is going to be how to make the slip stitch join. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.